Welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I'm with Standard Electric Supply Company. I have a special guest today from WAGO Corporation, right up the road in Germantown, Wisconsin.
Yeah, thanks for having me. And I'm the regional sales manager for WAGO, covering northern and western Wisconsin. I've been doing that now for about 6 years. And prior to that, I was a product manager at our headquarters in Germantown for 11 years.
Excellent. What do you have for us today, Michelle?
Today, I brought in our new 8-channel electronic circuit breaker.
An 8-channel. So electronic circuit breakers, give us a little background on what the purpose of these are.
Yeah, electronic circuit breakers typically used on the secondary side of your power supply, so your supplemental protection for 24-volt DC loads. Fast tripping like a fuse, but resettable like a breaker.
So this unit is a plastic case.
Plastic.
Do you guys have a metal housed unit?
We also
too?
have a metal housed unit. This is our Gen 2 product.
Okay.
So a little bit lower cost than our original, and a smaller footprint. So
Okay.
this is the smallest in the marketplace, I'm told, for an 8-channel.
And I would assume that these just would plug in here
Yeah.
and wire in. And then this would be your power, I would assume. And it probably goes this way. And I'll eventually figure it out.
Some signal inputs.
I am but this is how it's going to turn out. And obviously these can come out for
Wiring.
easy removal. And if the unit happens to be defective, I'm sure
never
MTBF, it's like 40, 50 years anyhow
right.
before they die.
Yeah. So the 8 channels, you can simply take a little operating tool or screwdriver and set each channel to the desired amperage. Then there is a backlit LED push button, so you can reset a channel locally. You can use a signal input or output and send a signal to the PLC to reset. The LED part of this backlit LED push button gives you status.
Okay.
So green if everything's fine and you're using that channel, or yellow or flashing red if we're...
And is your demo powered up?
It is.
Can you drag it over here? Let's see what everything looks like when it's all powered up. That's easy for you to carry around.
Yeah. So this demo has our single channel and a 4-channel version that are sister products to this 8-channel guy
Okay.
here. So in this demo, we've got the 4-channel.
Okay, so this is the
Version.
bigger brother
Yep.
to this one right here.
Right, exactly. So first thing we can compare is tripping of a standard circuit breaker compared to fast tripping of an electronic circuit breaker. Okay, so we've got channel 1 on, and we're going to turn on our electronic circuit breaker, and we've got it shorted. We'll see how long that takes to trip. So a few seconds there. Then we've got it reset on channel 1. We'll turn it to electronic circuit breaker, and you can see it's flashing already and tripped. So instantaneously when you short it out, you're going to get a trip with the electronic circuit breaker, and you've got a few seconds for the mechanical.
The electronic circuit breakers that you guys have, and these just came out, and are they pretty new? When did these launch?
These launched probably about 3 months ago, maybe 3 to 4 months ago.
So they are in stock, ready to go.
Yes.
If you are interested in need of a electronic circuit breaker, please contact your account manager and get Michelle, Clayton, or anybody else out of Indiana and Illinois involved. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching Unboxing with Bill.